Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for competitive exams. First, thoroughly understand your exam's syllabus and format. This foundational step ensures you focus your efforts effectively. Next, prioritize mastering core economic principles, from microeconomics to macroeconomics. Don't forget to practice regularly with previous year's questions to familiarize yourself with question patterns and time management. Developing strong analytical skills is also crucial for success. To build a solid foundation, start with microeconomics before progressing to macroeconomics. Use reputable textbooks and online platforms to grasp fundamental concepts. As you learn, create your own concise notes. These will be invaluable for quick revision later. It's also essential to deeply understand various economic models and the assumptions they are built upon, as this forms the backbone of economic analysis. Active practice is key to success. Dedicate time to solving a wide variety of multiple-choice questions to test your understanding. For exams requiring written responses, practice crafting clear, well-structured essay answers. Stay updated on current economic events and policies, as these often appear in questions. Always review the solutions to your practice problems, paying close attention to any common errors you might be making. Consistent revision is vital to retain information and strengthen your understanding across all topics. Practice under timed, exam-like conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. Identify your weaker areas through practice and allocate extra study time to them. Finally, maintaining a positive mindset and effectively managing stress are just as important as your academic preparation for optimal performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.